Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a loop knot. This knot is typically used in applications for camping and general purposes. Start by creating a bight. Now create a loop. Feed that bight through the loop. Tighten and dress accordingly. This is a very quick and effective way for shortening a rope, especially if there is a damaged portion. This knot can be used in higher stress situations, such as towing a vehicle. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.